Hey YouTube, here's an old engine for you down here at Disneyland. I can see the name right there. I like to make it as an AMIO or AMO or something like that. Piston's still in there. It's got an electric motor on that side pushing it around. But the exhaust is stuck open. That belt actually does push that little generator around, or a big generator I should say. Whether it's a 110, 12 volt or whatever, I don't know. Another quick view of this, YouTubers. Anybody tell me what these two things are? Cool. Down here at Indiana Jones. There's another one on YouTube. It's a Fairbanks Morse Z, 6 horsepower, 450 RPM. It's got the muffler on it. It's got a tow winch on it from this side to run everything. It's one big unit. Everything's all bolted up. You can actually smell old gasoline on this one. You can actually smell the gas still. Everything's intact. You've got your spark plug, all your valves look intact, everything all the way back, everything looks intact and fine. Wish I could take something like this home. See if we can get a top view, see it down inside that boiler. See what it looks like down inside there, see if it's rusted in. And here's a big old boiler. Here's a big old whether it's a steam boiler or what, it says keep below 80 degrees. And there's 120 on it. You've got your big chimney there, but kind of interesting. If anybody can tell me what brand those other two were and what that was used for, be cool. See you later, YouTube. Hope you enjoyed the videos.